Hello, and welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super important question about using cash-out services like Beforepay. What happens if I miss a repayment? It's a scenario no one wants, but understanding the process is key to managing your finances responsibly. Let's dive into what you can generally expect if a scheduled repayment doesn't go through. First off, the moment a repayment fails, Beforepay will typically reattempt to debit the funds shortly after the original due date. This might be later the same day or the next business day. It's always best to make sure the funds are available as quickly as possible. If the second attempt is also unsuccessful, communication is key. Beforepay will likely reach out to you via email or SMS to let you know about the missed payment and the next steps. They understand that things happen, so they'll often try to work with you. Crucially, Beforepay does not charge late fees or interest on the outstanding balance. That's a major difference compared to traditional loans or credit cards. You won't see extra charges piling up just because the payment was late. However, a missed payment can still have consequences. Primarily, you won't be able to access any further cash outs until the outstanding balance is fully repaid. Your access to the service will be temporarily frozen. This is their main mechanism for managing risk. If multiple attempts to collect the full amount fail, Beforepay might work with you to set up a new, realistic repayment schedule, often with smaller, more manageable installments. Their goal is to get the money back, not to penalize you with endless fees. It's important to remember that consistently missing payments could eventually affect your ability to use the service in the future, even after the current debt is settled. While they don't report to credit bureaus in the same way banks do, a history of defaults could lead to your account being closed. The biggest takeaway? If you think you're going to miss a payment, contact Beforepay before the due date, ***. They have hardship teams ready to discuss alternative arrangements. Proactive communication is always the best way to handle financial hiccups. No late fees, but temporary loss of service access is certain, and communication is vital.